do if you could get 5,000 more people to see your posts on Facebook just by sharing into groups of interested people, like your perfect target audience. So this is what this free Chrome extension is coming to solve. It's coming to provide you with a way to share your post with all of the groups which are relevant to what you're trying to sell. So for example, if you're in real estate and you're trying to get your apartment seen by all the groups that are in that area, this Chrome extension is literally a no-brainer. One reason it's a no-brainer is because in one click you can literally share to all the groups. Here's a real estate example. You literally select the groups you want to post to, just like this. You just have checkboxes, ones that would not appear unless you have this Chrome extension, this free Chrome extension. Then you click publish to 5 groups, or however many. You can even select all your groups. Once you've finished, it asks you, would you like to save this list of groups you just posted to as a preset? And then you can say my New York groups, and then you can save it, and that way whenever you need to choose a specific group, you can reuse that list of groups, which is going to simplify your life and get your listings quicker to more groups without you having to sit there trying to remember which groups you last posted in. Now that's so good. I think real estate is one of the most important, this tool is one of the most useful tools for real estate users. I think most people who use this are in real estate, or even if you're building apps or drop shipping and you need to just share to a bunch of groups related to what you're selling, or if you're a marketer and you want to market to all the marketing groups and all the TikTok groups, you know what I'm talking about. This app is for you. What changes when sharing takes 30 seconds? When it's so easy to share, you stop overthinking marketing, you just do it. You see, marketing is something that we get lazy to do. All of us are the same. We just can't be bothered to do it every time. We've done it, it's just like repetitive. I think that's the issue with marketing. But when it takes 30 seconds, you know what? It actually takes only 5 seconds. You literally click one button and it shares to the preset. You don't have to actually do anything. It really only takes 30 seconds the first time you do it. Like you actually have to go out of your way to like select the groups and search for the groups. But by the second time, it literally takes 2 seconds. You just click on a post you want to share and click on multi-group, and that's it. You can literally share it. Also, it is a very safe Chrome extension because it doesn't actually do anything to your account except what you could do naturally. It literally clicks the buttons for you, shares for you, and does all the work for you. So if you've been doing this sharing manually, it's time to move on and start having things automated. See you in the next video.